Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. How are you?
I'm good. I feel happy today.
That's nice. I feel happy too.
How do you feel on Christmas?
I feel calm. I feel peaceful.
Christmas feels warm.
Yes, very warm.
Do you like Christmas?
Yes, I like Christmas.
Why do you like Christmas?
I like the lights. I like the calm feeling.
What do you do on Christmas Day?
I wake up early. I relax at home.
That sounds nice.
Yes, very nice.
What food do you like at Christmas?
I like cookies. I like cake.
I like hot chocolate.
Me too. It feels warm.
Do you spend Christmas with family?
Yes, family time is important.
I agree.
Family feels good.
Do you listen to Christmas music?
Yes, I like slow music.
Music feels calm.
Yes, very calm.
Do you like gifts?
Yes, but small gifts are enough.
Giving gifts feels good.
Yes, very good.
What do you wish for Christmas?
I wish happiness. I wish peace.
That's a good wish.
Thank you.
Is it okay to speak slowly?
Yes, speaking slowly is good.
Practice every day.
Yes, I will practice.
Do you feel comfortable right now?
Yes, I feel comfortable.
That is good.
Yes, very good.
Is calm speaking easy for you?
Yes, calm speaking is easy.
That helps learning.
Yes, it helps me.
Do you enjoy this practice?
Yes, I enjoy this practice.
That is nice.
Yes, I feel happy.
Is listening important?
Yes, listening is important.
Listening helps speaking.
Yes, I understand better.
Do you feel confident now?
A little. I am learning.
That is perfect.
Thank you.
Is slow speed helpful?
Yes, slow speed helps.
Good for beginners.
Yes, very good.
Do you repeat the sentences?
Yes, I repeat slowly.
Repeating helps memory.
Yes, it helps me remember.
Do you feel relaxed while speaking?
Yes, I feel relaxed.
That is important.
Yes, very important.
Do you practice every day?
I try. I practice a little.
A little is enough.
Yes, I agree.
Do you want to continue learning English?
Yes, I want to continue.
That is great.
Yes, I will keep going.
Can you focus right now?
Yes, I can focus.
That helps learning.
Yes, it helps me.
Are the words clear?
Yes, the words are clear.
Clear words help speaking.
Yes, I feel better.
Do you listen again?
Yes, I listen again.
Listening again helps.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Do you understand better now?
Yes, I understand better.
That is good.
Yes, very good.
Is speaking comfortable?
Yes, Speaking feels comfortable.
Comfort is important.
Yes, very important.
Do you like short sentences?
Yes, short sentences help me.
They are easy.
Yes, very easy.
Do you repeat slowly?
Yes, I repeat slowly.
That builds confidence.
Yes, I feel confident.
Do you feel good about learning?
Yes, I feel good.
That is important.
Yes, very important.
Is practice a daily habit?
I try a little every day.
That is perfect.
Yes, I agree.
Can you stay calm while speaking?
Yes, I stay calm.
Calm speaking is good.
Yes, very good.
Is your voice clear?
Yes, my voice is clear.
Clear voice helps.
Yes, it helps me.
Is the pace slow enough?
Yes, it feels slow.
Slow is good.
Yes, very good.
Do you understand the words?
Yes, I understand them.
That's nice.
Yes, it feels easy.
Are short answers helpful?
Yes, they are helpful.
Good for beginners.
Yes, very helpful.
Do you breathe calmly?
Yes, I breathe calmly.
That helps speaking.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Do you feel ready to speak?
Yes, I feel ready.
That's great.
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you listen first?
Yes, I listen first.
Listening helps.
Yes, it really helps.
Do you speak softly?
Yes, I speak softly.
Soft speaking is fine.
Yes, I feel calm.
Do you see small progress?
Yes, a little progress.
That's enough.
Yes, I feel good.
Will you keep practicing?
Yes, I will keep practicing.
That's perfect.
Yes, I will continue.
Are you ready to start?
Yes, I am ready.
Good. Let's go slowly.
Yes, slow is good.
Does this feel easy?
Yes, it feels easy.
That's nice.
Yes, I like it.
Do you speak slowly?
Yes, I speak slowly.
Slow speaking helps.
Yes, it helps me.
Do you feel any pressure?
No, I feel relaxed.
That's good.
Yes, very good.
Do you understand clearly?
Yes, I understand clearly.
That's important.
Yes, very important.
Can you stay relaxed?
Yes, I stay relaxed.
Relaxation helps.
Yes, it helps me.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning.
That's great.
Yes, I feel happy.
Do you go one step at a time?
Yes, one step at a time.
That works well.
Yes, I agree.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, I feel better.
That's nice to hear.
Yes, thank you.
Will you stay calm while speaking?
Yes, I will stay calm.
Perfect.
Yes, I will try.
Do you feel ready again?
Yes, I feel ready.
Good.
Yes, let's continue.
Is starting easy?
Yes, starting is easy.
That's good.
Yes, very good.
Do you speak clearly?
Yes, I speak clearly.
Clear speaking helps.
Yes, it helps me.
Do you understand more now?
Yes, I understand more.
That's nice.
Yes, I feel confident.
Are slow answers okay?
Yes, slow answers are okay.
Good.
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Can you stay focused?
Yes, I stay focused.
That helps.
Yes, it helps me.
Do you feel comfortable speaking?
Yes, I feel comfortable.
That's important.
Yes, very important.
Can you try one more time?
Yes, one more time.
Great.
Yes, I'm ready.
Do small steps help?
Yes, small steps help.
That's true.
Yes, I feel better.
Will you keep it easy?
Yes, I will keep it easy.
Perfect.
Yes, I like this way.
Do you feel calm inside?
Yes, I feel calm inside.
That is good.
Yes, very good.
Is understanding easy now?
Yes, understanding is easy.
That helps a lot.
Yes, it helps me.
Do you speak comfortably?
Yes, I speak comfortably.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Do you listen clearly?
Yes, I listen clearly.
Listening is important.
Yes, very important.
Is slow speed fine for you?
Yes, slow speed is fine.
Good.
Yes, I like slow.
Do you feel confident now?
A little. I am learning.
That is perfect.
Yes, I feel good.
Do you repeat again?
Yes, I repeat again.
Repeating helps.
Yes, it helps me learn.
Do you feel comfortable now?
Yes, I feel comfortable now.
That's nice.
Yes, very nice.
Do you learn step by step?
Yes, step by step.
That works well.
Yes, I agree.
Will you keep practicing gently?
Yes, I will keep practicing.
That's great.
Yes, I will continue.
Okay, let's stop here for today.
Yes, you did very well.
Speak slowly and practice a little every day.
Don't worry. Learning takes time.
Stay calm.
Keep smiling.
See you next time.